Hi folks, Randy with Guaranty again. Today I'm going to show you an Apex 215 RBK. Let's go on and look inside. Double entry steps, walks into a nice deep slide out. The big wraparound horseshoe dinette seems to be popular these days. Makes a big bed area, also can seat 6 people pretty comfortable. This trailer's a lot. It's a 21-foot box, it's a 24-footer. But it's a nicely appointed layout. It's got a nice kitchen countertop, some good prep, super nice faucets that are nice, stainless package in the appliances, which is the refrigerator, microwave, hood combo. And then as it fades to the back, the bathrooms across the back. That's how you get the nicest bathroom in the industry, is to get it clear in the back, because it's all bathroom. Nice big glass shower, nice skylight overhead, good vent fan, nice high-rise toilet, and then it's got some overhead storage off to the left inside the bathroom. So you can kind of have some room to put some gear. As we pan forward, we'll notice we have our TV here. This is a split wall, so you enter from either side. This little TV guy here has the ability to stay where it's at. It's not a spin around. I thought it was, but it's not. So you have room to put another one in the bedroom if you like. But this is tied in with a movie player, Blu-ray, a DVD, MP3, CD that'll play through the TV. In the front end, we have an overhead in front of the head of the bed, which allow you to put glasses, water, etc. We have charging ports inside there for your phones and CPAP machines. We've got little closets on each side for hanging clothes and some nice overhead storage up above. The bed does lift up for storage, so you have more room underneath, so you can store more goodies. You'll never have enough. I know how that goes. Comfortable queen bed. And these are all queen shorts, guys. They're all 60 by 74.5, and that's about most trailers, unless we get you the big ones. They're all going to be that size, so you either got to get special sheets or learn how to tuck and fold real well. Has the nice 13.5 air conditioning, LED lighting, again solid surface tops, no laminate, which is really nice. But this is a small trailer and a great floor plan and a really lightweight. This guy weighs in at about 5,000 pounds. And as we exit outside, we're a fiberglass coach with aluminum framework and frameless bus windows. Looks super sharp, but what they're designed for really is to not oxidize on the trim rings, and you're not having to put the oozy putty tape behind there that leaks out over the years, and you always have to clean it. This has rubber gaskets behind it. It's from the motorhome industry. It's a nice layout. Power awning across, one touch. LED light strips across the bottom on the inside to light up in the evening time. Aluminum wheels, 6-gallon water, and in this model here, we have the outside kitchen. So you got a little electric 3 cubic foot refrigerator, which will hold enough stuff for the kids, beverages, beer, cold water, ice, Capri Sun, a little small freezer. It's a nice little layout. It's got a little pull-out cook stove here. There's a snap for a travel lock that you undo and pull out. And you have a little Coleman cooker, along with hot and cold water, place for utensils and stuff to store, and overhead, some lights. And then this acts kind of as an awning. So if it is a little drizzly, you've got some protection. Pretty cool feature. A lot of people use it outside. They'll incorporate a table with a barbecue, put their lawn chairs and their bikes, and they're set to go. And again, it's a 21-foot box. It's a small trailer, but with a lot of niceties. Again, rear jacks and front jacks every corner. Outside shower, spare mounts on the back. And around the back side would be our dump station, our freshwater hookup, our power cord hookup, which is marine, like the boat industry. The cord is stored in the front. Blackwater tank flush, cable and satellite hookups, and this is a Swintech slide system. It's a little nicer than the cable drives. Cables tend to stretch and need adjusting all the time, and they don't pull evenly. This is gear driven. It sucks in and sucks out at the same pressure, lasts longer, and they don't have to be adjusted as much. Very nice. They're nice. I like those. And again, like all of these, very nice baggage doors with magnetic latches. Really like those. Great pass-through storage. Rubber gaskets instead of the foam tape. And these are called slam latches. You can just slam them. Very nice. The wraparound cap, again, is a super plus. A very nice lightweight trailer. High-end qualities that tows fabulous. So again, feel free to come see us at Guaranty. My name is Randy. Hope you have a great day, guys.